Hey guys, long time no see, but I'm gonna pick the channel back up and start posting more regularly. Sorry to leave you guys, on red, but I'm back, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing a haul, and I know you guys love these. So this is gonna be a going out clothing haul. So by going out, I mean like not school appropriate and more like summer clothes. Okay, and before we get started, my earrings and this top are from Zaful, and I'm going to be showing you guys a lot of things from there, as well as Forever 21 and Lulu's. So yeah. Okay, so the first thing I got is actually my favorite, and it is from Lulu's. So it's this romper, and it's fully sequenced in blue. As you can tell, I just love blue, and it has these gold stars on it, and it's like lower cut. And yeah, it's just like shorts. It's just really like cute and going out style, I guess, So yeah, I love that. And that's like the only thing I got from Lulu's, just because I saw that online and I loved it so much. So going on into Forever 21 cross front dress. It's like self-tie, and it's just cherries, and it's super short and kind of revealing in the chest area. It's pretty low cut. I just love the pattern and how flowy it is, and that's an example of like a good summer dress, I think the next item is going to go super well with the dress, and it's these heels, and they're just like espadrilles, but they're platform and kind of, they have like a nice heel on them, and yeah, they're red, and I've gotten so many compliments on these. I've worn them a couple times, and yeah, they're just really cute, and they're not that uncomfortable. So yeah, I love me some platforms. The next thing from Forever 21 is, please don't judge me, but it's kind of short. It's basically this ripped denim mini skirt, and yeah, it was like pretty affordable, and I've been looking for one kind of like this to wear with like a t-shirt or something, or even the next item that I'm about to show you guys. So yeah, this is like a staple. Next item is off topic, but I think it will go really well with that dress, so I'm just going to show it to you guys. And it's these glasses, and they're super just like, they actually look so bad when you have them on like normal, but like for cute little pictures, you gotta pull one of those out sometimes. So yeah, I saw this like everywhere, and they're really cute, and these are from Zaful. So yeah. Sorry for skipping around, but the next thing I got is this jumpsuit, and the back is actually gorgeous. It's like a self-tie, and yeah, it has a little bit of side boob though, so that's why I'm classifying it in the going out direction. But yeah, it's just pinstripe and pants, and the pants are full length. They're kind of flowy, which I like for the summertime, spring. Super cute. The next thing I got is super random and not really like a going out shirt, but this is from TJ Maxx. I thought it was cute. It's Free People. It's this like off the shoulder top. Wow, I got so many blue things actually, and it's hella cropped with like a tie front. Yeah, I think this is cute for like the summer. Moving on to Zaful, I'm going to show you guys the craziest item I got, and don't worry, I'm not going to wear this on its own. It's meant to like, tie as like a bandeau, but I'm going to wear it over like a black tube top, kind of like this. So yeah, it'll just be like a cute little accessory. It looks like this, super cute and like festive, and you can style this like different ways, and it ties in the back, and the back has like these. So yeah, just imagine this like that. Great. The next thing I got from Zaful were a pair of heels, and they are so cute. I'm in love. They're just like suede, and they have little, studs. Yeah, studs, and then like this circle, which is super trendy. And yeah, they're pretty tall, but not like overly dramatic, maybe like 3 to 4 inches. But it's a thick heel, so it should be pretty comfortable. And yeah, I like these a lot. The next thing is a For Lovin' Lemons like knockoff skirt. Like their classic Lemonada print, and it has a ruffle on it, Super cute, and this is actually like decently long, so yeah, I would totally wear this to like, school. The next thing I got is this 2-piece set, and the skirt is a decent length, which I'm excited about. So it's like this, and yeah, it's just patterned like embroidery, but this top really like steals the show and puts it together. This is the top. It's like this, and then the sleeves. I didn't think this would fit well, but it is perfect. I didn't think that the sleeves would like be tight or anything, and they're not like overly bearing, but they don't move around, which I enjoy, especially because this, and you can even adjust the sleeve. It's like unzip. Like this is such good quality for Zaful. So yeah, this is super cute. Looks like this, and it goes really well with the skirt. if I didn't want to wear that top with the skirt, I could always wear this with like those red heels I showed you earlier. That would be really cute. It is this red bodysuit, and what's so special about it is the sleeves are like 3 layers, and it's just off the shoulder, so super cute. This would be good with that denim skirt, honestly. Yeah, I love me some red and some blue. The last thing, because I didn't want to make this haul too large so you guys would like, you know, tune out or something like that, but there will be a part 2 to this. Stay tuned in like a couple weeks. I'm going to be posting more like affordable summer spring clothes. But the bathing suit looks like this. The bottoms are like, you know, kind of cheeky, but they're not as revealing as other pairs. And then the top is what I was so excited about. One shoulder, it looks like REMA, honestly. And yeah, it's super cute. This fits really well. I was surprised. So yeah, I would totally recommend that swimsuit. I hope you guys enjoyed that haul, and if you did, leave me a thumbs up and comment down below any videos you would like to see me do in the future. Like I said, I want to start posting a lot more and, you know, get back into that grind because, you know, we all have our little slumps. So yeah, hopefully you guys aren't too mad. Comment down below also what your favorite item was. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye y'all.